Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Is the voice is clear? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think after long time once again, I did. There are two types of calculation in your stream flow. Okay. So one thing from given flow, okay, the flow to hydrograph. Second type, today what I am going to discuss with you, hydrograph is given, okay. From hydrograph, you have to derive I will start the lectures, sorry, actually not lectures, calculation part. I think you all have okay. Okay, see, this is one question given maybe 4 years in a batch. The rainfall, the fault of my computer, maybe virus or something, I don't know what is. After a long time, today I opened the laptop. You. Is it okay? I think you have my PowerPoint, no? Already I have given this PowerPoint to you. You don't know what to. Okay. So the question itself, you can identify which type of calculation we are asking, huh? Because total flow means, so here see the rainfall records on 1st of September 2020 at 2 a.m. of rainstorm. Okay, this is just decoration. Okay, just decoration. And ordinates of the 2-hour unit hydrograph of the catchment is given below. Okay, 2-hour unit hydrograph. So which means you can simply identify if it is start from 0 to 0, okay, 0 to 0, it is unit hydrograph. Okay, so definitely we are asking unit hydrograph to hydrograph. Okay. So this is simple way of, okay. because now the students are inside the they are taking students inside, so definitely don't worry, online examination and other thing. So you can have clear writings in the question paper. Okay. Now 2 is going on face-to-face exam. Final years tomorrow they are leaving for industrial training, not they the thing. 2-1 students, they are entering, your immediate senior batch entering the hostel day after tomorrow, seems to be coming Monday. So everything going on smoothly. So I think very quickly you also can come to the faculty, okay, and you can write the examination. Okay. So here see, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give some time to copy because otherwise you can't continue. While copying, do other way around, not horizontal, vertical ways. Only important thing is 2-hour hydrograph, unit hydrograph is given 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then the data 0, 45, 90, 170, 120, 80, 40, 0. Then rainfall, of course, you can write some other page, okay, not in this page, other page 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 6 to 8. And pi index as 2.5 millimeter per hour. Sorry, last class I scheduled, but suddenly I got some illness, so I went to the hospital. But today I thought, yesterday I took chemo, tomorrow injection, but I thought to finish 1 hour lecture pending. Whatever I can, I will do it. Is it okay? Shall I move to the next page? Vihara. Shall I move? Sadanya. Sadanya.
Yes,
Shall I move?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. This is very simple. Detail here. Time, rainfall, pi index is given. Loss you can calculate. Then rainfall excess. Do it in your exercise book. 2-hour duration, so 5 millimeter loss. So rainfall excess 45 minus 5, 40 millimeter. 25 minus 5, 20. 75 minus 70. 75 minus 5, 70. Please, everybody do it. So I already told you 25 marks out of 100 final paper. You have to answer 4 questions. 1 question stream flow. So which means 25 marks directly goes to this stream flow. hello வாரேன் 8:30க்கு வாரேன். சரி, வந்துட்டீங்களே வீட்டு? இல்ல நான் சும்மா கேட்டேன். நான் வந்துட்டீங்களே? ஓகே. சரி சரி, நாளைக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைக் தானே? ஓ ஓ so everybody okay? Write the equation. Be careful. This is total direct flow. Okay, not total flow. What is the equation for total flow? Sadhanya, what is the equation for total flow? AG 133. I forgot your name, please. Total flow is equal to total direct flow plus base flow. Okay, base flow is given, total flow is question. Okay, then this is the equation for total direct flow, because 0 to t I assume as t, then t minus 2, then t minus 6. Okay, so for u to t, then 4 centimeters, sorry, 40 millimeters, so 4 centimeter. Then again u to 2t, because all the rainfalls are 2 hour duration. Okay, all the rainfalls are 2 hour duration. Then 7u to t minus 6. Okay, because there is a gap in between 4 to 6, no rainfall. Okay, so write the equation. If t minus 2, t minus 6. Okay, t minus 2 minus 6. Any clarification? Write this equation. Savanthia Dilani 004. Is it okay? Total direct flow equation. Please answer. Otherwise, you are following or not. Maybe 130. How many students are here? 113 participants are here. Or even you can comment on chat even. If not clear, it's not clear. Chat one is coming. We'll see. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Shall I move to next calculation part? Shall I move? I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now total direct flow, not base flow or total flow. Time is given. Okay, time is given, not rainfall starting time. After that, you can actually put actual time. Okay, ordinates is given. That is from the calculation. Sorry, your question 0, 45, 90, 160, 210, 240, 170, 120, 80, 40, 0. Okay. Now, see, first complete this chart. Okay, complete this chart. Comment is coming. See, sorry, ma'am, I could not. You at that time. Time due to the proper network connection. I understood, madam. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, for you 2T. For you 2T, this is your total direct flow plus 2U 2T minus 2, 7U 2, T minus 6. Okay, this is from your earlier calculation. Okay, total direct flow. Okay, C for you 2T. Immediately you put the 0, then you don't miss the chance. You don't miss the accurate value accordingly. See, here 2T, T 0, then T minus 2, 0. Here T minus 2, next, okay, 0. Okay, then for you, now you already put 0, then put the dash also, blank dash also, then no problem. You know this is no any contribution due to that particular rainfall. Okay, that is the meaning of that. Okay, see for you 0 into 4, 0, 45 into 4, 180, 90 into 4, 360. Okay, so quickly fill this one because direct filling. Is it okay this first row for you 2T? For you 2T is direct filling, then no problem. Multiply by 4. So you can simply fill this one. Then second one, see 2U, 2T minus 2. Okay. Then here see 0, 0. 45 into 2, 90. 90 into 2, 180. Okay. Please be careful. Don't multiply directly by this to this likewise, because this is shifting. Okay, and in a way of shifting. So please complete that row one by one. Don't parallelly. If you do, you may be missing. Okay, that also easy, but very simple way to fill one by one, column by column. You do yourself, I also will do in such a way. சரியா? So you can yourself, you can check whether your calculation is correct or your what you did is correct. See zero again, zero after 2 hours. சரியா? There is a gap 2 hours because T minus 2. So simply you yourself can understand or yourself can correct this is correct or wrong. Is it okay? T minus 2 is okay. Please answer. Otherwise, I don't know whether you understand or not. Satyendri,
Understood, ma'am.
is it okay? T minus 2 is okay. The second column is okay now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I go to the third 7? T minus 6. T minus 6. Okay, do yourself. I also will indicate how you can do simply. So please be careful while multiplying. Okay, please bear, because if I put number of arrows may be difficult to understand. Okay, so please carefully do in such a way. You can check here 6 hours pending. So, Is it okay? 7u2 t minus 6. Start with t minus 6, then it is okay. Is it okay? Kishanti, Mohara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what you have to do is you can put simply base flow. Okay, because after completing 4u 2t, 2t minus 2, 7u 2t minus 6. After that, because here the idea is given, because these three columns are direct flow, this is base flow, then you can calculate total. Okay, so base flow, the given instruction not changing with the time. Okay, not changing with the time. So simply put 60, 60, 60. Okay, this is simple calculation, base flow not changing with time. Then put the base flow, then calculate total flow, which means directly 0 plus 60, 60, 180 plus 60, plus 0 plus 60, 240. Okay, 180, 60, 240. Then the fourth one, fourth hour, 360 plus 90 plus 90 plus 60, 510. Okay, so likewise add total flow. Is it okay? Total flow. Rashida. Is it okay, total flow? Lashan, Vibura. No answer. Is it okay, total flow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Then, after that only you put actual time. Otherwise, you will confuse because rainfall starting at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Then after lunch 2, 4, 6. Likewise, you can complete. Okay. Your question is part 2 question is peak flow time. Okay. So which means 4 p.m. with the total flow of 2,350 meter cube per second. Okay. So that is very simple way to do the calculation. Okay. So because here see only thing is shifting. Okay. Only thing you have to shift the ordinates. While shifting, be careful that angle. Tulakshi Sudharan,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay calculation?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay. This is very simple question. Okay. Direct, which means ordinate is given. Okay. Rainfall is given. So your first task, estimate total rainfall, loss, rainfall excess. Okay. Then write the equation for total direct flow. Okay. Total direct flow. Okay. Up to that you can score maybe half a marks. Okay. Then put the column, time, ordinates, first, second, third, your direct flow chart or your direct flow equation, then base flow, okay, then total flow means direct flow plus base flow, okay. So while adding, please leave the ordinates. Some students, what they are doing, they are putting ordinates also with the calculation, okay. Ordinate, then at the time at the end, because maybe 0 to 4, with that at 2 a.m., 4 a.m. likewise, maybe you confused, okay. For the B part, so you do separately at what time, okay. 100 marks out of 100, okay. Any clarification, please put on chat. I will answer your question clearly. This is one more question is given. Okay, so here I think same with the same ordinates. Okay, to do yourself. Okay, rainfall is given. So be careful here. 0 to 1, 2 to 3, 5 to 6. Okay, all the times all are changed. 0 to 1, 2 to 3, because 1 to 2 no rainfall, then 3 to 4 no rainfall, 5 to 6 again rainfall, 55, 15, 45. Okay, so pi index is given 5 millimeter per hour, 5 millimeter per hour, 5 millimeter per hour. Then calculate loss, then rainfall excess millimeter, then write the total direct flow equation. Okay, so 55 millimeter rainfall, 5 millimeter per hour pi index, 1 hour duration, so loss is 5, so rainfall excess 50 millimeter. Second rainfall 2 to 3 hours, which means second hour, 5 millimeter per hour because duration is 1 hour. which means loss 5, then rainfall excess 10 millimeter. Rainfall 5 to 6, in between once again gap. Pi index same. Be careful, sometimes pi index also changing in your calculation. Okay. Loss 5 millimeter because all are same here. So rainfall excess 40 millimeter. Okay, 40 millimeter. Write the equation. U plus U plus U. Okay. Then first 5U, second one 1U, third one 4U. Okay. 1T because T duration starting with T. Again, second one T minus 2. Okay. Second R T minus 2. Again the last one T minus 5. Clear? Is it okay? AG39 Kajendra's link come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I move to next slide because otherwise you can't calculate next chart. Everybody. I will take to the next page. Here see, in the same way, ordinate is given 5U 1T, 1U to 1T minus 2, then 4U 1T minus 5. Okay. Then total period only here because the calculation part is not completed. Base flow is not given. Okay. Quickly do it. You do yourself and answer. Okay, check my answer also. Tulakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, my calculation and your calculation?
Yes, ma'am. It is okay.
So did you add total direct flow? Because here only the question up to total direct flow. Did you add, Tulakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it telling with my answers?
What, ma'am?
Is tallying with my answer. Total direct flow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
The time-
please after base flow, then time, everything you have to do as earlier calculation. Okay. So here not given a total direct flow because simply I asked to do one more example. So please be careful while adding total direct flow. Don't add these ordinates, please. Some students, what they are doing very quickly while they are doing, they are adding ordinates. Sometimes they are missing the step also. Okay. While skipping, please be careful. Keep the ordinates in one hand, then do likewise. Column wise, if you do column wise, it is simple. Please give me the comments because I will take another 1 hour after closer to your exam, 2 calculations. Rep. Please give me your comments on very simple calculation, but sometime what we are doing, chat will see. Understood, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So sometimes the students are doing by mistake, they are putting in such a way. Understood. Thank you. I will take another 1 hour, okay, as tutorial, okay, closer to your examination time. So all are putting the understand, understood. All are understood. If any clarifications, please. Okay. Any clarifications, please? So I will take another 1 hour during closer to your examination. Maybe face to face also I can take. Maybe it's take another. Madam, can you do a quick revise in next? Can you do a quick revise in next session? Okay, I will do. AG 030 Kisha, because I don't know the name. Next session, yes. What I want to do, because to do missing data and that average precipitation, then intensity, duration, frequency analysis, all that calculation part quick revision, or only this stream flow quick revision?
It's better, madam, whole power.
Other missing data analysis and intensity, duration, frequency analysis, whether you did in the by condenser, intensity, duration, frequency analysis, that also one calculation part in practical. Did he? I will check with him. Okay, I can do quick review. Maybe while you are coming to the faculty, or maybe online. If I can't come over there, I can do 1 hour quick revision.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I will do as a calculation. Then quickly you can understand all the simple things. I will give you 2 questions on hydrograph to unit hydrograph, then unit hydrograph to hydrograph. Because in this part, maybe we are giving base flow is raising from 60 to 85, which means you have to put 60, 62 or something like that. You have to calculate and adjust the base flow also, like other way around. Okay. So I will do as calculation. So I think this is the end of the hydrograph. So I will do. Don't worry, I will do. If I am okay, I will do. Any other clarifications, please? Okay, thank you. Because I took more than 1 hour, around 1 hour and 15 minutes. If everybody understood, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.